Hey, how you doing today? Welcome back to RVOA. Today, we're cleaning up this pop-up. We're gonna start cleaning the pop-up. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but we're gonna start. But firstly, it's been a little warm. I wanted to make sure the exhaust fan worked and the electricity inside works, so we have us a little adapter here. I believe we're running on, yes, we have a 30 amp plug on the end of the pop-up. So what we're gonna do is use this 30 amp to 15 amp. So that way we can plug this into a regular outlet just for the power, just for the lights and the little stuff I'm gonna be doing, like charging and stuff. All right, got that adapter on there. So again, I'm just gonna use the 30 to 15 amp. The way I have 15 amp electricity. I think I saw a spark. I think I saw a little bit of electricity. So let's go inside and see if the pop-up got power or not. All right, moment of truth. Oh my God, this floor. Moment of truth. Whoo, power, baby, power. Oh no, oh God, oh God, oh God. Definitely gonna need some work in here, but we got power. We got power. Let's see, I wonder how much. Oh wow, they got power everywhere. It's cool. Let's go. Awesome. Well, this bad boy is dirty. The main reason we needed power is so I can plug in the shop vac. So I'm in here looking around. Just opened up a little window here to get some wind flowing through. Tell me while I'm looking around, kind of figure out where I'm gonna start. I'm like, wait, what? Not some oregano. That's disgusting though, bro. There's no way it got like dirtier after they left. That was that dirty when they were doing that. That's filthy, bro. That is filthy.
Let's get started.
Oh, bro. Oh, that's so gross. Oh, man. Cigarette smokers gotta be the worst people ever. So I know I haven't done much real talk in this video, like in real time, but dude, this is too disgusting for me not to like say something about. Like, brother, what is this? This is gross. Like, I think he shaved his beard and just left the hair, and all this is ash. Like, bruh, they make ashtrays. Like, I don't care what you say, I can't understand being that gross. Like, bruh, they make ashtrays. Like, you're just nasty to be nasty. It's crazy. It's crazy. I mean, sorry, that was almost dropped the gimbal. But yeah, like, oh my, it's just so much hair and grime. It's crazy. The floor not looking too bad. Swept it. Whenever we scrub it, it's gonna look a whole lot better. Man, this thing is just gross, dude. up, make a trend. Alright, man. I'm not sure how long this video gonna end up being. I'm not sure if I end up talking that much in it at all either, but pretty much it for the video today. The smell in here, like the urine smell and the cigarette smell, has like turned my stomach the wrong way. Just don't feel good. Like my stomach just don't, it feels a little queasy. Yeah, like I said, just having that urine smell with like the chemicals. I use like some lavender cleaning material and some vinegar, and just having that in my face. I probably should have wore a mask, but I didn't. And yeah, that's pretty much what I got done today. So we cleaned most of the surfaces off. I cleaned this, cleaned inside of there. That's getting thrown away because that made me gag too many times. I got that as well, this, and I also got the floor. So as you can see, I did this side of the floor. I didn't get to that side. That's how the whole floor looked. And yeah, I know I'm stepping on this with my shoes, but yeah, that's just. Also, if you're wondering about the door, it's on the roof right now. So what I figured pretty much is I would just leave that door up on the roof. It's attached with these little lock things right here. So this is attached to the roof for right now while I've been inside of here, just to get some airflow and stuff. I just didn't want it to be hanging or have to keep going climbing past it. So yeah, that's where the door has been, if y'all was wondering. So yeah, like I said, we're gonna be getting some cleaning done. Camping trip coming really soon, hopefully at the end of this week. Look at those clouds, dude. Cool. But that's all for me today. RPOA. Finger hearts out.